Good morning, friends. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Morning Podcast. The Indian benchmark indices yesterday ended absolutely flat, and the mid cap and the small cap indices corrected 0.4 and 0.2% respectively. Among the major gainers were ONGC, ITC, HDFC Life, HCL Tech, Nestle, Tata Motors, and Coal India. While on the losing side, we had Titan after disappointing Q1 update, BPCL, Adani Ports, Tata Steel, Asian Paints, and Bajaj Auto. Sectorally, the FMCG index was up 1.5%, the oil and gas index was up 1%, the cap goods index was up 0.7%, while on the losing side, we had the consumer durables index, which was down 1.5%, the metal and telecom index corrected 0.8% each, and the auto index too was down 0.6%. 250 stocks scaled 52-week highs with the likes of Bharat Electronics, CG Power, Cochin Shipyard, Federal Bank, IREDA, Marksans Pharma, and Zydus Life, while 16 stocks were at their 52-week lows. Coming to the market breadth, in favor of decline, 1800 advances to 2261 declines, slightly skewed towards the declines. Coming to the institutional fund flow, the FIIs bought 61 crores a net buy figure, while the DIIs pumped in 2,867 crores in the cash market yesterday. The global cues today, the US markets overnight ended mixed as the record opening failed to sustain. The participants are now closely awaiting the inflation data as well as the Fed chief's semi-annual testimony to the Senate and House committee due this week. Additionally, the earnings season is another big event that the markets will be keenly tracking. The Asian market cues are also currently mixed, and the GIFT Nifty is indicating a flat to negative opening for our market today. Coming to the stock specific news, the quarterly updates continue. Godrej Consumer, the company expects double digit volume growth in Q1 and high single digit growth in value terms across its home care and personal care segments. Neutral to positive for Godrej Consumer. Bajaj Finserv, the insurance industry, the life insurance industry reported its monthly update. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance gross direct premium stood at 1200 crores for June, and Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance total new business premium stood at 1082 crores in the month of June. Torrent Power, the company signed an agreement with ARS Stakes and Torrent Urja 14 for setting up 50 megawatt solar projects in Tamil Nadu, neutral to positive for Torrent Power. Container Corp reported Q1 update where there was overall 6% year-on-year growth in the volumes. The EXIM volumes were up just 3.3%, while the domestic volumes were up 15% year-on-year, positive for Concor. Dixon Technologies, the company will exit the joint venture called AIL Dixon Tech and acquire a 6.5% stake in Aditya Infotech as part of the divestment. Neutral for Dixon Technologies. Jupiter Wagons, the company has opened a QIP and set the floor price at 689.5 rupees per share, a 5% discount to yesterday's closing price. HFCL, the company's Netherlands unit, has set up a subsidiary in the UK for making optic fiber cables, neutral to positive for HFCL. Nestle India, the shareholders have approved the continuation of the current rate of 4.5% as royalty payment to the Swiss parent in the AGM held yesterday, positive for Nestle India. PT Engineering also has launched a QIP for raising up to 360 crores and set the floor price at 1054 rupees per share, 9% discount to yesterday's closing price, neutral to positive for PT Engineering as well. Urja Global, the company has informed the GST authorities that it has been carrying out search operations at its corporate office since 3rd July, neutral to negative for Urja Global. HG Infra Engineering, the company has entered into an MOU with Ultra Vibrant Solar Energy for execution of a solar power plant project, positive for HG Infra. Century Textiles will consider fundraising at its board meeting on 16 July, positive for Century Textiles as well. Mahanagar Gas will be in focus. The company has hiked CNG prices by 1.5 rupees per kg and pipe natural gas prices by rupees 1 per unit. So positive for Mahanagar Gas, as it has passed on the higher gas costs to consumers. And L&T also will be in focus. The company has just announced an acquisition wherein its subsidiary L&T Semiconductor will be acquiring Siliconch Systems, which is a fabless semiconductor design company, for 183 crores. So positive for L&T as well, as it helps develop its semiconductor business. Coming to the block deals, so Godrej Industries, RKN Enterprises sold a 12.6% stake in Godrej Industries yesterday, while Nadir Godrej bought 7.6%, Tanya Dubash bought 1.7%, Nisaba Godrej bought 1.7%, and Firosha Godrej bought 1.7% in Godrej Industries yesterday. The family settlement process is underway, and this is on back of this that multiple block deals were executed in Godrej Industries yesterday. Swan Energy also, so multiple funds have changed hands in Swan Energy yesterday, and BlackRock has acquired 1.4% stake at 668 rupees per share. So Swan Energy also will be in focus. Coming to the bulk deal, so BL Kashyap and Sons Jitendra Virwani sold 0.6% stake at 99.95 rupees per share, while in Platinum Industries, Ajay Agarwal bought 0.5% stake at 233.8 rupees per share. In terms of corporate action, so stocks going ex-dividend today are JSW Steel, JK Cement, Polycab, Persistent Systems, Deep Industries, and DCM Shriram. So that's it from the fundamental side. Thank you for listening. Have a great trading session.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.